Does ChatGPT have views on language learning? Or at least, can it assimilate views? Because it doesn't actually think, right? What is the best way to learn a foreign language? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best way to learn a foreign language will vary from person to person. However, here are some common approaches that can help. 1. Immersion. Surrounding yourself with the target language through books, movies, music, and speaking with native speakers can greatly accelerate your learning. 2. Practice. Consistent and deliberate practice of speaking, listening, reading, and writing in the language is essential to improvement. 3. Formal classes. Taking a class with a qualified teacher can provide structure and feedback. 4. Language exchange. Practicing speaking with a native speaker can help you improve your speaking skills and gain fluency. 5. Technology. There are many language learning apps and online resources that can provide additional practice and exposure to the language. It's important to find a combination of these approaches that works best for you, and to be consistent and patient in your efforts. So, what is the best way to learn a foreign language? Well, if you wanted a summary of the different ways you can learn a language, you got it. And ChatGPT definitely comes down on the side of, it's up to you and mix it up, which is what I would expect, because it doesn't have actual opinions. It's just taking a survey of everyone on the internet. Can you explain language acquisition in detail? Language acquisition refers to the process of acquiring and developing the ability to use language, typically in childhood, but also possible in adulthood. This process is characterized by the development of competence in comprehension, production, and use of language. 1. Comprehension. This involves understanding the sounds, words, and grammar of a language and being able to use the knowledge to comprehend spoken or written language. 2. Production. This involves the ability to generate language, whether through speech or writing. This includes the ability to use grammar and vocabulary in a fluent and appropriate manner. 3. Use. This involves the ability to use language in social contexts, including the ability to understand and use social and cultural conventions of language use. Language acquisition occurs through a combination of innate ability and exposure to language. In children, the process is largely driven by exposure to language in the environment and by interaction with language-using adults. This exposure leads to the development of linguistic knowledge and the ability to use this knowledge to comprehend and produce language. In adulthood, language acquisition can occur through a combination of formal instruction and immersion in the target language. The process is often slower than in childhood, but it is still possible to achieve fluency through. So it ran out of juice on language acquisition eventually, but it clearly thinks this method is more about children learning languages than adults. Maybe that's why it stopped in the middle of telling us that language acquisition for adults is basically formal instruction and immersion. Okay, the question we all want the answer to. Is Duolingo a good app to use for learning languages? Duolingo is a popular language learning app that offers a gamified and interactive approach to language learning. It has received positive reviews and has been praised for its user-friendly interface, engaging lessons, and overall effectiveness. Duolingo can be a good choice for individuals who are looking for a convenient and accessible way to start learning a new language, or to reinforce their existing knowledge. It is particularly well suited for beginners, or for those who are looking for a way to practice their language skills on a regular basis. However, it's important to keep in mind that Duolingo is not a comprehensive language learning tool, and it may not be the best choice for individuals who are seeking a more in-depth language education. For serious language learners, a more comprehensive approach that includes a variety of resources and exposure to the target language may be more effective. Overall, Duolingo can be a useful tool for language learning, but it should not be the only one you rely on. To achieve fluency in a language, you'll need to complement your Duolingo studies with other forms of exposure and practice, such as speaking with native speakers, reading books, or taking a formal language class. I think this is actually a pretty good answer. Yes, Duolingo can be good, but it shouldn't be the only thing you use. What languages do you speak? As an AI language model developed by OpenAI, I have been trained to generate human-like text in many different languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Russian, Arabic, Chinese, simplified and traditional, Japanese, Korean, Indonesian, and many more. I can understand and respond to text in any of the languages I have been trained on. However, I do not actually speak any language in the traditional sense, as I am an artificial intelligence model, and do not have the capability to communicate or understand the world in the same way humans do. Well, that answer brings up an important question, doesn't it? What is speaking a language? Is it the ability to communicate in it, to understand, to respond, or not? It clearly doesn't think so. Also, I wish it had given a full list of all the languages it can communicate in, because I don't know where many more is. Which language is the most difficult to learn? The difficulty of learning a language can vary greatly depending on several factors, such as an individual's native language, prior experience with learning languages, and the amount of time and effort they are willing to dedicate to the task. That being said, some languages are generally considered more difficult for English speakers to learn, due to differences in grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. For example, 1. Arabic. Its grammar structure is very different from English, and it uses a writing system, Arabic script, that is not based on the Latin alphabet. 2. Chinese. Mandarin. Mandarin Chinese has a tonal pronunciation system and a completely different writing system. 3. Japanese. Japanese has a complex writing system that uses a combination of 3 scripts, hiragana, katakana, and kanji, and its grammar structure is also very different from English. 4. Korean. Korean has a unique writing system, hangul, and grammar structure that can be challenging for English speakers to master. 5. Hungarian. Hungarian has a complex grammar structure and a unique vocabulary that is not closely related to any other European languages. That being said, these languages can still be learned with enough dedication and effort. The key is to find a method of learning that works for you and to be consistent in your efforts. I like how it starts off here and then qualifies that this answer is for English speakers. I also like that it explains why the languages are different, because all you usually see in lists is the languages, not the explanation. I wonder what answer it would give if I weren't speaking to it in English. So, now that we know it can communicate in other languages, are you able to translate English into another language? Yes, I can translate English into many other languages. I have been trained on a large corpus of text in many different languages, which allows me to generate high-quality translations. Just provide me with the text you would like translated and the target language, and I will do my best to provide an accurate and fluent translation. Now, I haven't tested this. I might do, but I am dubious about the words high-quality translations. How exactly are we defining that? High quality in literal terms, or how a native would actually write? Those aren't necessarily the same thing. Anyway, that's an overview of how an AI thinks, or doesn't think, or whatever this is, about languages. Until next time.